folks. You catch me in the car, about to set off to go and do something very old-fashioned. In my wallet, I have money, cash money, and I'm fed up of complaining about my headset, so I'm going to buy a new headset. I've always promised it, so this is a video of me heading out, go shopping, get a new headset, and probably do an unpacking video at the end of it as well. So stay tuned and we'll have a little trip to an actual shop, like an old-fashioned person. Go out there, exchange money for goods and services. Stay tuned. So, welcome to Loughborough, an old market town not far away from where I live. I've just come up and pulled up outside Curry's PC World. Now, PC World used to be a company in the UK that just did computer stuff, and it was bought up by a chain called Curry's, so they're now Curry's PC World. But it's time to mask up and head on inside, and I'll see if I can do some surreptitious filming in there, because I'm pretty sure I probably won't be allowed to do it normally. So, stay tuned. Well, blimey, that was fun. I was in there for at least 20 minutes. All the ones I wanted to buy weren't in stock. This is the trouble with actually doing old-fashioned shopping these days. They don't tend to keep a lot of stock on the shelves. I went in there for two different Razer headsets and they didn't have either one. I'm sorry, I'm not paying £120 for a headset, no matter how good it is. But I did end up with a different one instead. I ended up with a Corsair. Woo! Corsair 7.1 surround, mic, mute, blah, 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 and all that stuff. So, you know, I'm reasonably happy with it. I think it cost me 50 quid. So the last one cost me about the same. They did have a replacement for the last one that I've been using for years, but you know, I felt like a change and treat myself. So I'm going to head on back to the hut and grab myself a drink and then go and open the box and see what's inside. Well, howdy my fellow peeps, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but work has gotten away big style. 12-hour shifts all over Christmas, New Year really gets in the way of filming videos. But we are back, and as promised, as you've seen on my short intro, I went to an actual shop and purchased something, because currently I'm using these, and as you can see, so I'm just looking at the camera over there, as you can see, everything's hanging off and it's broken. So I decided once and for all to actually go and buy myself some new headphones. But I did it the old-fashioned way, and I went to the shop. So, without further ado, let's grab these. We have these bad boys. Corsair HS45 7.1 surround sound headphones. Now, these weren't ones I was going to go and fetch. I was actually going to fetch a set of Razer headphones, because I've had them before, they're very good. Unfortunately, the joys of going to an actual shop means that, although there are some things in stock like this, the ones you want aren't necessarily in stock, even if they say so on the website. So, word of caution to an old-fashioned shopper. But anyway, let's get cracking along. I have here my trusty penknife, and with this trusty penknife, I shall be looking at it. I mean, as you'll notice, the box is slightly damaged because they have those stupid security things on. But you know, it's an old-fashioned world, and we even have this one as well. But let's have a little butcher's hook. Oh yeah, nothing like opening a brand new box of goodies. So we'll put that away. We don't need that. And what have we in here? What's inside the box of mystery? Oh, lots of goodies falling out the bottom and everything. Lots of books and more books and more paperwork. I mean, the packaging not quite as trendy as you would say Razer is. I mean, it's pretty dull. It's yellow and black. You know, it can be, but not too worried about that. It's the headphones I'm concerned about. So here we have. Okay, a massive book, which has probably got about 15 languages in it, warranty guide, and safety information. So I'm guessing so you don't strangle yourself with the cable. But what's in the actual box? I mean, look at this bad boy here. We have the usual 3.1 pin adapter. Not fake leather ones, because I hate the fake leather ones, because when they start to wear a bit, you get lots of black bits in your ears, which is nasty. But I mean, how do you get this out? This is insane. They're trying to make it so you can't escape. They go through it. Go over here. Okay, fine. If in doubt, give it a yank. There we go. And what we have inside here is, of course, usual silicone gel. Do not eat silicone gel, as it says in the packet. It's very bad for you. Get rid of that. In here we have a 3.1 to male to female adapter for some reason. I don't know why. But... And okay, a USB adapter as well, so we can go USB 2 into 3.1, which is quite handy if you haven't got a 3.1 anymore. Because I mean, to be fair, I'm old-fashioned. I have a 3.1 connection plug on my sound card on my motherboard, but not all of them do. So that's quite handy for modern computers. Perhaps one day we will actually be able to afford to build ourselves a new modern computer, and that'll be quite a good video. But you know, right. Initial impressions as we pull it out. Oh, yeah, another lot of plastic that's wastage. We don't want that these days, but apparently we have to. They are big, quite big, and very soft. We have controls in here. We've got mute here. We've got volume control in the back of the headphones, which is nice. And oh yeah, this should be. Oh, that's an actual connection pod for something. Okay, nice. I'm not totally sure what that for is. There you go. Looking pretty trendy. Pretty trendy indeed. Let's see him on. Let's try one for comfort. Oh, I need to extend them a bit. There we go. My big fat head needs extending, but you know. Yeah, not bad. I mean, obviously need to level them out a bit because, well, I mean, look, I've got a wonky head and these are wonky as well, but you know, it's not bad. What does it say? I mean, this says it's got a plug-in microphone. Is that one? Oh, that's my microphone. Oh, I thought that was a male to female connection, but no, actually that's my removable 3.1 microphone, which is quite interesting. I'm not entirely sure what the sound effects look like, but as I got a microphone already, I don't really want the one. But you know, it's nice. It's removable, so it can be used for some serious gaming. Oh, but no, I'm not going to that. It's just a flexi. Oh yeah, that's pretty doody actually. I mean, if it's a decent sound quality, I might use it instead of having this bulbous robot penis in front of me, but. So that just slots in there. There's your mic. Fully adjustable. Well, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I quite like that. So, initial thoughts are, it looks like a pretty decent bit of kit. It feels nice and soft and comfortable. Should be alright for plenty of hours of gaming and video editing and everything else like that. We have, I mean, the actual surface texture feels quite nice. It's smooth, it's matte black as opposed to shiny. I don't like shiny things. I'm not a shiny person. This could take a bit of getting used to because my other padding was a bit bigger, but you know. And yeah, it's also really nice. It's actually sturdier as well by the looks of it. Because the last one snapped right on the hinge point here, so which is nice. Hopefully these won't. But I like the controls on the headset as well. We've got a mute button there, which we always very handy because we don't want to have two mics recording. And I think it's a fairly long enough cable as well. I mean, the cable on that thing's ridiculous. My old one, it's like a 4-meter cable. I end up tripping over it all the time. But you know, so yeah. We will have to give them a whirl and see how we ding-dang-do in a week's time. I will do a product review of them to let you know if they're comfortable, if they work all right, if any problems installing them and things like that. But yeah, so nice little short unboxing video of this. Lots of lovely pictures. If I bother to look at it, it will show me the mic and everything else in there anyway. But yeah, so Corsair HS45 7.1 surround sound, which would be nice. We'll give it a try for a week and I'll let you know what it's like. Well, I hope you enjoy this small video watching me unbox things. I do like unboxing things. I might have to make it more of a permanent thing if I can afford to buy things to unbox, of course. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you to everyone subscribed to the channel so far. You peeps are amazing. The numbers keep going up. I love it. Thank you so much. Couldn't do it without you. Don't forget to check out my social media pages, of course, which are that way, over there, over there. Everything's mirrored. Over there for geek, nerdy comments and thoughts in the middle of the night. You know how social media works. Also new videos and any competitions that I might actually get around to actually doing this year, which would be nice. I've promised them, but they actually haven't happened yet because the laws are confusing and it costs money, and I literally having to squeeze this video in between going to work again. So hopefully not a massive shift today, so hopefully we should be able to get some more videos done. Don't forget also to check out my website, 1hl.co.uk, for geeky, gamer, nerdy and retro designs that I've designed myself. Go across there, check it out, see what you think. New designs are coming to the website soon when I actually get 5 minutes to upload them. So head over there, check it out. Let me know what you think. If there's anything you want to see, let me know. But once again, thanks for joining me on this short unboxing video, and welcome back to the channel, peeps. Fantastic to see you again. I'm so happy to be able to upload a new video. Stay safe. Much love.